Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 3. We have 3s squared. First derivative of number 1. This is about the constant. So you got about number 0 in here. Because we don't have number 3. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. Now we apply the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and then we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.